Based on its outstanding R&D capabilities, Hansa has successfully developed the CNC horizontal boring and milling machine. The Hansa YBH3000 is a high-precision CNC horizontal boring and milling machine. This machine features massive construction, allowing it to offer maximum stability and ensures high machining accuracy. The YBH3000 is built to meet the demands for high efficiency and high precision machining. The machine structure will remain deformation-free even after years of use. The machine is a moving column type. The column slideways, Z-axis, are mounted with linear guideways. The X and Z-axis on the Hansa YBH3000 are mounted with high-precision linear guideways, and Y-axis are boxways. This design feature provides excellent stability for heavy cutting with high feed rates. The spindle head is designed with a gearbox for transmission, which provides a high and low two-step speed change. This makes the machine suitable for heavy cutting and high-speed machining. The diameter of W-axis is 110 millimeters. The W-axis can extend up to 500 millimeters with no deflection, and therefore high boring accuracy can be achieved. Optional W-axis is 130 millimeters. W-axis can extend up to 700 millimeters. Rotary table with 1 degree indexing accuracy is standard. Indexing accuracy at 0.001 degree is optional. This machine comes equipped with a 60-tool magazine that enables the machine to meet the requirements for complex parts machining. It offers fast tool changes with smooth motions.